Hi, in this video we're going to create this type of pie chart in PowerPoint. So let's start. So from the insert menu, we can head over to the chart menu and add a chart. Click here, and from this pop-up window we can navigate to the pie section, and we have 5 different layouts of a pie chart. So if you wish to create something like 3D pie, you can click on here, and if you wish to create something like static pie, then you can click on here. Also, you can click on other sections that you wish to create. So basically that's it. So from now we're going to create a 3D pie which is looking very beautiful. So let's start by clicking here. So we have our chart beautifully created. We can make this a little bit smaller and bring all of our data to the window if you wish to change them. So in here we have a linked Excel spreadsheet to the pie chart that we are going to create. And the levels, you can see clearly that this has a sales section. If you wish to continue with that, you can keep continuing doing this. So we're gonna delete this sales section here. Also, we can delete all of this alphabet from here so that we do not see the column 1 here. Just for better understanding, we can delete it from here. Okay. So now we have to have this information data to be filled with our samples. So like if you wish to create 5 sections, which mean 5th quarter, okay, then we can add on the number of informations we wish to create. Let's say 2. So now we have to bring them 6.2. So you can clearly see that we have added 5 sections, and the number of amount of percentage we have is almost 10. So it means it is 100%. And now we have these options, labeling, like if you wish to styling the chart, you can go ahead and do that. If you wish to change the narratives, you can do that also, like the values, columns, all of these things. And if you wish to change the colors, you can do that by hovering over to the different sections or color palettes. So for now, we're gonna stick to the blue. Hopefully this works. Also, we can randomly pick other color palettes, which looks great. Okay. So hopefully this is the pie chart of our own. We can make this a little bit bigger and align it to the center of our informational journal. And this looks really cool. And if you wish to change this information, so you can still do that, but we're not gonna creating this. For now, we're gonna create one more chart, which is basically the duplicate of this chart. So let's say we're gonna create and duplicate it. And from this styling or designing part, we are going to rearrange them according to our need. We have other things. Since we have picked something like 3D, so it's going to be 3D, but in a different polished way. Okay, So that's it. We're going to create one more slide, which will be creating something like changing the chart. From here, we can hover over to the styling, change the type chart, and create an dog nut styling. And hopefully this works too. And this looks really good. Yes, it is. This one really looks fine. So hopefully you guys understand then what we are trying to achieve from here. So if you wish to change any sort of data, you can just click on here and insert to this data chart. You can clearly edit, update, or do your thing. And we have a lot of options to change our data. Edit data from here, and then you have opened an Excel spreadsheet which you can edit. So hopefully this pie chart helped you a lot. So hopefully we're going to subscribe and hit like to the video button.